Kamusta po kayo? First and foremost, I would like to say thank you sa aking biological parents. Kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, wala pong Ronnie ngayon dito. Siyempre, sa mga kumupkup sa akin, maraming salamat po. To my wife na laging nandyan, through thick and thin, sa tatlo kong mga anak, whom so dearly to me. The main reason kung bakit kami nanatiling matatag sa hamon ng buhay. To those who sang for me, to those who greeted me through Facebook, to those who posted birthday greetings on my FB wall, sa kapamilya, sa mga kaibigan, most of all sa may lalang sa ating lahat, ang Panginoong Diyos. Thank you for making my day extra special. Thank you for the wishes that was so meaningful to me. Thank you for being part of this one of my very important moment in my life. Another year has been added to my age. I'm 32. Honestly, I may look older. My age may grow higher. Tumatanda na, but my heart's still younger. My birthday was indeed a celebration of God's goodness, of fellowship, and friendship. Naway magkasama pa tayo hanggang sa susunod na mga taon. Walang hanggang salamat sa inyong lahat.